told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you either. But I think about you. This quote is a gangster's quote. It's a quote of those who hate you. The quote emphasizes or encourages you. Don't mind about what other people think about you. Because in the end of the day, if you are not benefiting from them, or if your life does not depend from them directly, then you are definitely also not thinking about it. So if someone tells you that you don't care about him, and if the person does also care about you, then it is justifiable. It's a tit for tat quote. It's a question of mindset, a state of mind, how you value somebody. If somebody does not value you, why should you value the person? So it's a simple quote. I don't care about what you think about me, because I don't think about you either. That is the meaning of the quote. Thank you.
Look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch.